What's going on, YouTube? I am right back at you before I get out of the house and go picking and hopefully take my daughter to the swimming pool. It's like I told y'all yesterday, I bought the thrift store down here has started a new process. They actually are trying to start selling like quantities of stuff. It's not so much that they mimicking other thrift stores of the same chain line that I frequent, but the other ones do hold auctions every other week, and so I guess they trying to wing themselves into it. But anyway, I didn't like any of the other one, but they did had a toy box. Of it didn't say vintage, but it said a toy box, and I'm gonna show y'all why what caught my eye at first. Cause I normally don't even fool with toys, but I saw the let me see if I can get you well. All right, that's one. This is a vintage Raggedy Ann. Raggedy Andy. That's one that came out of $10 box. I'm gonna show you everything that came in the box. No thrills, no lies. Here's the second one. Now this is the Raggedy Ann. Now I don't know whether y'all can see. One looks almost black, and I can't tell whether it's a stain, but it is vintage or discoloration or what. Y'all let me know in the comments. Can y'all see that clear? Y'all see where one is lighter, but I don't mind. I don't think that whoever buys it are mine. I'm gonna do the whole. I'm gonna probably list all of them together, but I'm gonna show them to y'all first. Okay, these are the first two. A set of Raggedy Ann and I have briefly checked. The best price I've seen on YouTube is about anywhere from $20 to $26 a piece. Also, let me show y'all these. I have this is my first time doing, and I do need y'all help with this. The vintage doll. It's one. Fully dressed. It's one. A rabbit. Two more. This is in the box, another vintage. This is beautiful. Another one, and they do have the stands on them, the dogs. And one more. I was kind of feeling like, I don't know, it's going to have to be an older person that remembers Shirley Temple. This really does look like this may be a remake of the Shirley Temple doll. I had to do research on it. But if anybody in the comments know anything about these dolls, please hit me up in the comments and let me know. Like I said, this was my first chance. It wasn't anything else left in the store that I support in there. And it's not that I felt obliged to get anything from them, but I didn't feel right not shopping with them at all. And I know that they had worked hard on boxing this stuff up and hoping for a great sale day. I don't know. I hadn't been back. I won't be back till the day to find out how everything went well. Okay, now there's five dolls beside the Raggedy Ann. Now mind you, I only paid $10 for this box. Only $10. They had a couple of more things in there. Then I looked in the bottom of it. It had some Bath and Body Works set with slippers in there. New in the box. Also, it had something that I don't know. I'd have to ask my daughter or somebody. Bubble bath and body cream set, cups of tea, whatever that is. I don't know anything about women's fragrances and things. But I got another one. New in the box. As usual, they told me some rollers in there I don't know anything about. Some kind of twist roller. Like I said, y'all hit me up in the comment and y'all let me know. This was the last new item that they had in it. So I got all of this for $10. Let's recap. As I count one vintage doll. I'm going to show it to y'all again because I need y'all help. Remember again, is this Shirley Temple? Another set. This the other one. To give y'all a better look. Y'all making help me. Another stuffed. Little girl with the hair. It's a nice dress. Guess we got our Easter bunny. Easter bunny, baby. And our Raggedy Ann. Our black Raggedy Ann, I'm going to call her. And I think it's a discoloration because if you see right here, it's the same. So I'm realizing that it is discoloration. Looking at this stuff up close for the first time with y'all. But these are lovely. I'm going to probably post both of these for a set for around 35 or 40 bucks. Now, I'm going to let y'all know if anybody ever see anything that I am showing y'all that I've purchased, it is for sale. And I will ship. I'll ship anywhere in the continental United States. I normally ship United States Postal Service where they have the boxes where you can choose a different box where they still weigh. The average cost for a smaller or to medium-sized box, I can just about ship anywhere in the continental United States for around $17 to $22. So just say it like that. So if I have anything, but you know what, we can talk about it. I'm not afraid to talk to anybody about what I'm selling. That's fair. So if y'all interested in any of these dogs, I do ship every working day, next day, because I have to go to the post office every other day anyway. So y'all please keep me in mind. If y'all looking for any vintage pieces, anything antique, I am here for you and with you. I'm going to let y'all go, but I did promise y'all I was going to let y'all know what was in that box. Y'all stay blessed. Please keep cool, and I will see y'all real soon. I'm out.